Our revolutionary binder for dry, direct reduced iron, powder briquettes transforms the steelmaking industry. It only needs minimal addition, significantly reducing production costs while maintaining the briquette's high integrity and performance, with a cold-pressed strength exceeding 2000 N. The binder's superior metallurgical properties enhance smelting efficiency, optimize chemical reactions, and reduce waste. Additionally, it minimizes powdering, further improving the briquette's usability and performance. These versatile briquettes are also excellent as coolants and slagging agents in converters and electric furnaces. In summary, our binder sets new industry standards with its low dosage, high strength, and superior metallurgical properties, making it the ideal choice for manufacturers aiming to enhance their steelmaking processes and achieve greater efficiency.